And today we're gonna try to take this back bedroom off. So we'll see. We'll see what we accomplish this weekend. Just these little nails are holding this window in place. Oh my gosh. Wow. That's all. 500.
That's so hard. The ones that people are putting like OSB on for like, I don't know, like one board, and they're like, "We'll trade for a truck. Don't lowball me." I know what I meant. Yeah, no kidding.
Okay.
This thing was nailed in with 16 penny nails all the way around the frame. No screws, 16 penny nails. So it took a while to loosen it up, but it's free to go. Same with the insulation. And it's heavy. Let's lean it all the way out. Track look like it's attached.
Oh yeah, track's attached, rubber nails too.
Okay, well, not ready yet. Track's attached with 16 penny nails.
Oh man.
Here we go. How's your end?
Got it.
Oh, that other door, the sliding door, is not even in the track anymore.
Oh, that'll make it lighter.
It would.
There we go. I'm off the track. Let's turn to the side, I think. Look up.
Do you want to just take the door off?
Take it your way, Jesse.
All right.
Oh, it's popping out.
He's trying to wiggle
It's
out of there.
heavy. We may have to.
Oh, you'll be able to take a look in there now. Just seeing a flashlight. Let me go grab a light real quick. Okay. I cranked the hole to the top. So I'm gonna grab a flashlight so we can see it up the top. See what's up.
Oh man. Oh no. Now the roof is still up there. Yeah. Oh, I hope those trees will survive. Pretend it's an avalanche, little trees. Hey, did you know that we're sitting on a gold mine?
No,
We are. Did you know we're sitting on a gold mine?
not at all.
Look at all this lumber. Look at this fine lumber. Look at it. Just look at those 2x4s. I think that's about $100,000 worth of wood, don't you? Okay, Dwayne kept saying that there was a body inside the ceiling.
Bodiless fishing pole.
There was a fishing pole in the ceiling?
Yeah, insulated in.
This is how the cabinet is now. This dining room set is about the only thing worth keeping. But this is how much wood we've salvaged so far from it.